Hello, I am Sentimus Prime, and here I will be unboxing the Modelroid, Grid Knight, and Goldburn model kits. Now, to start things off, I am going to be showing you something about the box art, about this particular box, that I've happened to have noticed. For those who know the release dates of each of these Modelroid kits, you would know that this particular kit came out after the Modelroid Dynazenon, and it came out before the Modelroid Full Power Gridman. You can see that. Notice a difference. Do you see what these two kits have in common aside from being big boxes? Yes. For these two, for these two model kits, they have these brilliantly drawn box arts on the front, with an extra model in the background. Really cool. This one, however, rather than using like nicely done like anime drawings, they instead decide to use product shots in the front. And yes, they still have a big combination in the background, but that one's also using the product shots. And that's not the only difference I noticed. Looking at this side, getting Dynazenon out of the way, notice these little side, rendered, outlines of these characters. Notice how big Gridman here is, and notice how small the Grid Knight is. That's right. For this outline, they decided to make Gridman as tall as Siege Spinister from head to toe. Not terribly bad, but it's something I've noticed. This one, however, if you put this guy right next to him, you can see that they're approximately the same size. So that means that unlike the Gridman model kit, this one actually shows the pieces, the separate pieces, in their actual size. Okay, that's really cool. Now, getting those kits out of the way, let's take a look at this one. Now, on the front, you do see this. Obviously, they use these product shots. Nice, you get the show that these characters come from. You get Modelroid, you get Goodsmart, the company that made this. Good, you get the names. Very nice. Very nice. And on the side here, as you can see, we have little pieces of Goldburn overlapping onto the side, where we can see these outlines of these two characters in their actual size. So yes, Goldburn's going to be that tall. Really cool. Now, if we move over to the other side, we will see the Kaiser Grid Knight combination. And I'm willing to guess that this is going to be the size that's going to be, judging by how big all these parts are, all these Dynazenon parts are. They're the same size as the ones that are in hand. Now on the top, you see some more of these. Get a shot of these character models of these product shots in a vertical fashion, and on the bottom you get the same images in a horizontal pattern, in a horizontal angle. Now looking at the back, guess what? We see the exact same product shots, as well as some more product shots. So here we have Grid Knight, here he is from the back. Goldburn, here he is from the back. We get Goldburn and Grid Knight combining, Goldburn transforming into a shield, and Grid Knight using a shield. Here we have these two riding on the back of Dynarex, and here we have the Kaiser Grid Knights. Very cool, very cool. And of course we have all of these warning labels and barcodes and stuff. Gotta fit them in somewhere. So that's pretty much it for this box. How about we get this box open? So we're going to open it from the top here, where we're going to just slice this piece of tape open using an X-Acto knife of some sort. Okay, now we're going to open this up. Now I've been waiting to open this one for a while. Alright, let's see how it is. Let's see. Okay, get the box in the background. So, here we get the instruction sheet in this nice little like sleeve thing. Get instructions. Yes, we get separate instructions. This one is on how to build it, and this one is on how to transform the components. But where's the sticker sheet, I wonder? Alright. Okay, so we have that. The transformation. Pretty simple. I wonder if just... Oh, that's weird. Okay, so here we have this. We have this. Ooh. I found pieces of the cape. Very nice. Man, these are large. These are actually kind of cool. Actually pretty cool. And here we have a third one of these. You don't have to cut them out, but everything else is going to be in them runners. Okay, so there's a small one in here. Come on. Slide down. There we go. Done with that one. Here we have the tiniest little runner with only one piece on it. Letter G. Okay, here we have A. Here we have this one. Very nice. Do get a painted part here. Oh yeah, and this one's also painted. Nice. Sweetness. Cute little purple one. Take that one out of the way. Here's a black one that's lettered K. We do get a couple of gold paints on a couple of the parts. Very nice. I will say this one's not very large. Here's another purple one. letter C, no paint. Here's a letter L, a black one, no paint. Here's a silver one, a like silverish gray, gunmetal gray one, lettered F, no paint. Oh, and we get a couple of gold ones. So here we have H, no paint, and I, no paint. Cool. And we have this one. So here we have letter B, a purple one with no paint. So here we have a gold one, is letter J, no paint. Here we have a black one, lettered E, no paint. And here we have an orange one, lettered D, also no paint. Get that out of the way, get that out of the way. Hold on. This one's supposed to come with a sticker sheet. Is it just hiding somewhere? Not there. Oh no. This is not good. No, it's not in there. Well. Isn't that something? Oh boy. Oh my goodness. I didn't drop it anywhere. My goodness, did they seriously not come with a sticker sheet? Did they seriously not include the sticker sheets? Oh no. That's gonna be a bummer. Kind of trying to look everywhere to confirm. Oh no. Not in there. Man, that really sucks. So this kit is supposed to come with a sticker sheet. It's supposed to come with that one. It's supposed to come with that one. A sticker sheet that looks like this. And guess what? It's not here. That's a real shame. That is a real shame. And of course, it had to happen to the expensive one. Okay. Checking the box again to make sure. Nope. Not in here. That's right. Oh, man. That's unfortunate. But hey, at least I got parts, right? Let's see. yes, I got those 3 parts. That one I got. I got all 3 of the gold ones. Got that one. Got that one. That one and that one. And these instructions are actually really helpful at this page, because this actually includes all the runners and all of this content it's supposed to come with. And that one. I think all the parts are here. It's just missing its sticker sheet. And honestly, it ain't that big of a deal if it's just a sticker sheet. I could always paint it, I guess. But man, not including the stickers. And this is the expensive one. Oh my goodness. So, I guess that'll be it for this video. Let me just bring in the box. Yeah, so I guess that's going to be it for this video. If you like what you see, consider to like and subscribe, and maybe even comment if you want. And I wonder if they offer replacements. And of course, I'll be posting again sooner or later.